Welcome to Ecoglass of Norwich, where craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. For over 30 years, they've been pushing the boundaries of what's possible with glass. From tough-as-nails safety glass to breathtaking stained glass windows. We spent a day with their brilliant team, capturing the magic that happens behind the scenes, from the boardroom to the factory floor. Every step shows the care and precision that goes into their work. What really caught our eye was their toughening process. Watching glass bend without breaking was proper impressive. Their quality control is spot on too, with every piece getting the once over from their expert team. The whole outfit runs like clockwork, with skilled workers handling everything from massive sheets of glass for commercial projects to intricate stained glass designs that would look right at home in any cathedral. But what makes Ecoglass truly special isn't just their amazing facilities or state-of-the-art machinery, it's their people. Every member of the team, from the directors to the craftspeople on the factory floor, brings something unique to the table. They're not just making glass, they're creating something extraordinary, right in Norwich. And they're doing it with pride, precision, and a commitment to excellence that shows in every piece they produce. That's Ecoglass, where tradition meets tomorrow and quality comes as standard.